All right, guys, I'm just going to teach you guys a little bit about how mountains are formed and draw a little bit on the board for you. So, um, the Earth, as we know it, is round and it has several different layers. It has a core, it has a mantle, um, and it also has our plates. Our plates are the outermost layer of the Earth, and that layer is what we stand and walk on every day. It's these plates that form the land that make up the Earth's surface. So there are plates that are broken up all over the planet and they move. They move because the Earth's core, um, which is filled with magma, hot molten lava, actually creates these plumes or long stacks of molten lava that push outward and exert pressure on the Earth. Now, as this magma moves up through the core and out towards the Earth, it causes these plates to move. Now, they move very, very, very slowly, but when they move, they actually run into each other. And there's two ways that this can happen. Um, they can be called subduction, where one plate actually goes underneath another one. And this area here, where they meet, um, becomes a landform. Now, this land is typically very, very rich in natural resources, most commonly oil. All the carbon atoms get smashed and pushed down together, and eventually, through heat and molecular change, they become oil. And that's where we get oil fields. They kind of appear above subducted plates. Now, what we know to be mountains is when two of these plates collide and actually one begins to build up over the other, over the other. And all this land mass in here is what forms our mountains. In the United States, we're most known for the Rocky Mountains. Those are the largest, tallest mountains um, that we encounter in our country. There's also very, very famous mountains like Mount Everest, which is in India, which is the tallest mountain in the world. That was formed by a very, very large plate and is formed over a long, long, long period of time. Now, volcanoes, they're very much formed like a mountain. The plates collide. But down here at the bottom, where one plate and the other plate collide, it starts to form a volcano. Now, a volcano is still a mountain, remember that. But our lava starts to come up through the Earth's crust, and it kind of fills up the volcano. It fills up the mountain. And over time, what might be a peak on top of the mountain gets blown off over the pressure of the magma trying to escape. Now, this magma comes down on the Earth, and it actually, when it touches the water, it creates new land. As this magma flows out from the volcano, it's going to create more land masses. The easiest way to see this is our islands of Hawaii. The of Hawaii in the United States are all formed from recent volcanic activity, and they're actually even growing today. You can check out videos of actual lava flows that are very, very slow moving that roll right into the water and create new land as the volcanoes will erupt. So I hope this was informative. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much.